Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure IRS online account access checklist for document readiness, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Go to the official IRS website at www.irs.gov. Locate the section for online services. Click on Sign in to your account. If you do not have an account, select the option to create one. Gather the necessary documents for account setup. Have your Social Security number or individual taxpayer identification number ready. Prepare your filing status from your most recent tax return. Ensure you have your mailing address on hand. Locate your bank account number and routing number if applicable. If you filed a tax return last year, have a copy available for reference. Follow the prompts for creating your account. Enter your personal information as requested. Provide your email address for verification. Check your email for a verification link and click it. Return to the IRS website to continue the registration process. Create a strong password that meets the IRS requirements. Select security questions and provide answers you will remember. Once prompted, review your information for accuracy. Submit your application for account creation. Upon successful submission, you will receive a confirmation message. Return to the IRS login page to access your new account. Enter your credentials and complete any additional verification steps. Once logged in, navigate to your account dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the available features and settings. Download important documents or tax forms as needed. Ensure your account security is up to date with two-factor authentication. Regularly check for any new alerts or messages from the IRS. Keep your login information secure for future access. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.